Welcome to my channel, iGallery. Use this guide to remove the glued-in battery from your MacBook Pro. This is best done with the help of a battery replacement kit. The liquid adhesive remover in your kit will dissolve the adhesive, securing the battery, allowing you to remove it with ease. Use the flat end of a spudger to lift the battery connector straight up out of its socket on the logic board. Remove the two 2.1mm T5 Torx screws, securing the logic board end of the I/O board cable bracket. Remove the keyboard flex, we will change it with the new one. Remove the following screws securing the left speaker to the upper case. Lift the right speaker from the cable end and pull it free from the case. Apply a few drops of adhesive remover evenly under the edge of the rightmost battery cell. Use a hot air to warm and soften a section of the adhesive, securing the battery to the upper case, and then carefully prying at that point. Push a plastic card between the rightmost battery cell and the upper case, cutting the adhesive between the two. Throughout this procedure, be careful not to damage any of the battery cells with your tools. A damaged lithium-ion battery may leak dangerous chemicals and/or catch fire. Use only plastic pry tools. Repeat this procedure with the adjacent battery cell. Apply a small amount of liquid adhesive remover under the battery cell and wait 2 to 3 minutes for it to penetrate and soften the adhesive. Alternatively, reheat this section with your hot air gun if needed. Push a plastic card about 1 inch between the battery cell and the upper case, and slowly pry the cell up to separate all of the adhesive. Use constant heat and adhesive remover throughout the process to remove the battery. A good grip is necessary while handling the Mac. You can use alcohol too as adhesive remover with the heat. It takes a while, slowly and gently. Use constant heat and adhesive remover throughout the process to remove the battery. A good grip is necessary while handling the Mac. You can use alcohol too as adhesive remover with the heat. It takes a while, slowly and gently. After removing the battery, old battery, clean the leftover adhesive. New battery comes with the pre-installed adhesive. Please subscribe my channel for more and more repair videos. Thanks for watching.